Okay, so now we got the inspector over here giving him a little word of advice. I'll let you all listen in.
As far as it goes, it looks really decent. You got a struggle right here. You got a little struggle right here. Got a little concavity there. That pinhole will bite you in the ass right there. Whenever you go to put your hot patch in, you will blow a fucking hole through there.
Big hole. Inspector's nicer than I am. I think it looks like shit, but he said, he said no, it does look okay. I told him he's got like you said, got a spot or two, but you know, and like I said on there, you know, that's why we do it over and over and over, because the more you do it, the more comfortable you are. And then you also, you know, we left it wide on top a little on purpose so he can understand the differences between wide and tight. You know, the bottom quarter we had tight, it welds way different than it does if it's wide, or you know what I mean. The difference was between the two. And Cooper, you can really grind that down quite a ways. You know, an inch past on both sides. That way you get a good even push through when you go through there. Because anytime it just burps real quick, that's going to leave a little in there. So anyway, go ahead. You're doing good. So he had a little bad spot in the bead there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, a little bit rough here on the bottom. So he's just grinding that thin. And he's going to push back through that with another rod. That way it just kind of pushes it up in there and gets that looking a little better than what it is. And he had a little hole too, but he'll take care of all that at once. Or at least he should. We'll see what he does. What are you waiting on, Cooper? Let's go. Ain't got all day, buddy. Okay, go ahead. He's going to push back through. Yeah, you can even push a little there. There you go. There you go. Yeah. You got the spot, the little hole filled in. It's a little low still, but that's all right. If it's me, I'd just grind it real good and get it hot passed.